How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk about a smaller cap altcoin that has potential. It's been going up a lot recently, so I want to explain it to you. Now, I would highly suggest staying through to the end to get all my opinion, because if you just watch part of the video, you might not get my overall opinion on this crypto, but I do want to cover it all for you. I want to cover what it is, why there's so much excitement for it right now, whether it makes sense to invest, and just look at the project itself. Now, this is a partner of the channel now, so I am getting paid to do this, but I'm not told what to say, how to say it. This is just gonna be an honest review talking about what I like and what I don't like. Now, if you guys like that kind of video, please hit the like button, please hit subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot, so I do appreciate that. And one of my friends, who's also a YouTuber, has been trying to get me in on this, saying that it's a great project and that he thinks it can do really well for a long time. And I've been sitting on the sidelines, and it's literally 10x'd over the last couple of weeks. You can see over the 14-day, it's up 817%. So we're gonna look at whether it makes sense to buy right now, take a look at the tokenomics, the team, and stuff like that. So thank you guys, and let's get into it. So the name of this cryptocurrency is Dexioprotocol. Now, their ticker symbol is Dexi. You can check it out on CoinGecko. Now, what are they trying to do? Well, their vision is a world in which blockchain technology is mainstream and infinitely more people are connected by it. We will advance this ambition by becoming the industry standard in augmented reality, revolutionizing blockchain-based gaming, launching the most user-friendly NFT platform on the planet, and developing our own blockchain technology and exchange, complete with an ultra-secure, incredibly sophisticated digital wallet and state-of-the-art AR application. We will lead the way and explore this new exciting frontier. So right off the bat, you can tell that they're trying to do a lot. I mean, they're talking about augmented reality, which, I mean, we have trillion-dollar companies that are working on that. Also, a user-friendly NFT platform. I will say a lot of NFT platforms are pretty difficult, especially for new people. They're going to get into gaming. They're going to develop their own blockchain network and exchange. So basically, they're trying to do a lot of different things. Now, I will say, when I see that, I think, okay, if they can just do one of those 4 or 5 things, they're gonna do well over time. A lot of cryptos are only good at a couple things, and they do them really well, and then they can go up in value. So you can get the Dexi wallet already. So you can see it's already on Google Play and the App Store. So it says that this tells me that they're actually delivering on what they're trying to do. So the Dexio wallet is done. Let's take a look at it real quick. So they say it's a beautiful, user-friendly, ultra-secure, state-of-the-art application, which allows you to store and swap your digital assets. You can stake on it too, which is pretty helpful. They give varying competitive APY rates. Now, they are trying to get into gaming too. If you've watched the channel, you know that I'm pretty bullish on gaming in general. I think that that's going to do really well through a bear market, because people will still be interested in using these games. So they say that you can store your in-game assets in ultra-secure and state-of-the-art application to store. The NFT marketplace, trade your collectibles and in-game items. So you're going to be able to actually use this and sell them on their own Dexi marketplace, which will be nice too, because I mean, it's going to be nice that you can use it for multiple things. You know, obviously NFTs are going up like crazy. A lot of people think that we're going to see Bitcoin and Ethereum run, then some of these smaller altcoins run, and then NFTs run. Their NFT platform is supposed to be done in the next month. So if they get that done, that's going to be huge. They also have their Smart Dexio network. So this is a network that they're trying to build and have industry leaders in insurance, music, construction, education. So a lot of different things they want on this network. We want to use the visibility of the Dexi Hunter app that can bring different clients to facilitate business and technical relationships. And then they also had Dexi Gas, which recently went live. So Dexi Gas is our in-game currency. Dexioprotocol is developing 3 games currently: the Dexi Hunter app, Legends of the Dexiverse, and Dexi Hero. Like I've said, these types of games I think will do well throughout the bear and bull market. So just something to pay attention to. Now, looking at the roadmap, they were launched successfully in May this year. They're already on CoinMarketCap. They're already in Trust Wallet, so you can buy them on PancakeSwap. BSC logo was approved. They've already reached 3,000. Code audit is already done. Dexi wallet's already done. CoinGecko already is on there. And then they've reached 8,000 holders. Now, what do they have going from here on out? Well, they already launched Dexi Gas, so you can see that they've already delivered on that. Dexi NFTs and Marketplace, again, they say they will be done here in the next month or so, which is good because that's exactly what they said in their roadmap. Legends of the Dexiverse, again, another game. Dexi Hero, the multiplayer card game, will be available next quarter, just like the Legends of the Dexiverse. And then Smart Dexio Network, they're saying next quarter too. Major exchange listing, they've already applied for Gate.io and KuCoin. Dexi Hunter, they say this will be done in Q2. MMORPG, which will be Q3. So they're going to continue with a lot of these games and stuff. And then Dexi Swap Q3, and then Dexi Payments, they're saying are Q4. Current tokenomics are 5% of every transaction is rewarded to the holders. The burn function has been turned off. So a while ago, they actually had a lot more of a fee, but they have turned this off because they burned through a lot. They have already burned about 1/3 of the supply, a little bit more than 1/3 of the supply. So you can see 174.77 billion tokens of their 500 billion tokens has already been burned. So you can see right here, they already have about 13,000 addresses. So this is growing pretty quickly. And they say the fully diluted market cap is 105 million, but it's really a good amount less than that. It's only 2/3 that size because of the fact that so much has already been burned. Now this is a fully doxed team. So you can see everyone that works on the team. Now I really prefer to be invested in different projects that have a fully doxed team because they're actually putting a face and a name to the project. Now, not everything that I'm invested in, like Bitcoin, has that, but the fact is this is smaller, so there always is more risk with these smaller projects. I would rather have them have their face and name on it. The other thing that's important to pay attention to is the fact that this is a really well-made website. Some of these websites aren't well-made, and that's always a bad sign, right? If things don't quite line up, or if there's weird print, the syntax of different sentences is wrong and it just doesn't flow well, that's always a red flag too. This all looks very professional. And one other thing is this is proof of stake. So this is a good thing too. They're making sure that it's efficient and fast. Overall, I think we had to talk about this because obviously they're trying to do a lot. If they're able to do those things, like I said, I think they will continue running. But we can't get over the fact, or we can't not mention the fact that they have run a lot, right? So they have run about 9x. I think they were too cheap before because if you compare them to their peers, they cost a lot less than their peers. But you can see a lot of volume, right? And this is at a time when Bitcoin's kind of traded sideways. So over the last 4 or 5 days, it's traded sideways, but they are running about 4x. Now, the reason that I've heard that they were so low in the past from the friend, again, the other YouTuber, is just because they haven't had a lot of marketing, which is why I'm here, right? So they're trying to work on marketing and showing what they can do, what they've already done, that they can deliver on the promise that they're making their different crypto holders. Now, I will say, this is not Bitcoin. This is not Ethereum. This is not Cardano. This is not Binance Smart Chain, BNB. This is a very high risk, high reward crypto. So if you're going into this thinking, hey, it's not going to fall, of course, it can always fall, and it probably will fall more drastically than Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of those higher alt caps or one of those higher cryptos if there is a dip in the overall market. But also, it's still $70 million, the market cap 70 million. So you have to take that into account too. It could also run a lot more than something like Bitcoin if they're able to actually do what they want to do. I mean, if they're at a $500 million market cap or a $1 billion market cap by the end of this bull run, that's a huge increase, right? That's a 15x from here, 10x, 15x. I don't think that Bitcoin's going to 10 or 15x from here this bull run. I mean, that would be nearly $1 million Bitcoin. I do think that they are delivering on what they're trying to do, and I think that we could definitely see some more gains, even though it's run 800, 900%. If nothing else, put it on your watch list, because if it takes a little bit of a dip, might be a decent time to buy in. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a crypto analyst, anything like that. I'm just a guy making videos here. Again, thank you to Dexi for letting me make this honest review and just saying what I really think about the project. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys watching and hitting the like button. You can check out the link down below to their website underneath the video and to CoinGecko to see the price. Again, you can buy on PancakeSwap, and then they are trying to get on KuCoin and Gate.io. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.